In this video, we will compare FreeCAD 1.0 and Blender. So FreeCAD is a tool for parametric CAD and engineering, focusing on precision and recomputable history for mechanical design and BIM projects. Meanwhile, Blender is for artistic 3D creation, excelling at organic modeling, sculpting, animation, visual effects, and rendering for creative projects. So the fundamental difference lies in their design and philosophies. While FreeCAD builds models for parametric definition and sketches, Blender have its creative advances. So choose FreeCAD if you want history-based modeling, if you want workflows ideal for creating mechanical parts, product design, and architecture, or if you want to start with 2D sketches that are constrained with dimensions and relationship, then extrude and revolve into 3D shape. Now, if you're someone who wants organic 3D modeling, then choose right here Blender. It's also good for freeform mesh modeling where you can directly manipulate vertices. It's also well suited for digital sculpting, game creation, rendering, and creating complex scenes. So it actually depends on what your purpose is, so just choose which one is the right one for you. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.